What if I told you that you could cut your lesson planning time in half while creating better, more engaging lessons for your students? Picture this scenario. It's Sunday night again. You're sitting at your kitchen table with a stack of curriculum guides, trying to create 5 days' worth of lessons that will actually engage your students. You're scrolling through Pinterest for activities, searching for worksheets that match your standards, and wondering how you'll find time to differentiate for your diverse learners. 3 hours later, you've got basic lesson outlines, but they feel generic and uninspiring. Sound familiar? Here's the game-changing solution that thousands of educators are already using. It's called Claude by Anthropic, and it's an AI assistant specifically designed to help teachers create engaging, standards-aligned lesson plans in minutes, not hours. Let me walk you through exactly how this works in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Start with a clear, specific prompt. Instead of asking for a generic lesson plan, tell Claude exactly what you need. For example, say, create a 45-minute third-grade science lesson on plant life cycles that includes hands-on activities and aligns with NGSS standards. The more specific you are, the better Claude can tailor the lesson to your exact needs. Step 2. Let Claude generate your complete lesson framework. Within seconds, you'll receive a detailed lesson plan including learning objectives, materials list, step-by-step activities, discussion questions, and assessment ideas. This isn't just an outline. It's a complete, ready-to-use lesson structure. Step 3. Ask for differentiation and supporting materials. Simply say, now create 3 versions of this lesson for different reading levels. Or, generate a worksheet and assessment rubric for this lesson. Claude will provide multiple versions and all the supporting materials you need. Step 4. Customize and refine based on your students. Claude can adapt any lesson for English language learners, students with special needs, or gifted learners. Just ask for specific modifications, and you'll get practical strategies that actually work. Step 5. Build your entire unit or curriculum sequence. Once you have one great lesson, ask Claude to create the next lesson in the sequence, or develop a whole unit plan. You can build weeks of connected, engaging instruction in just one planning session. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. Can AI really understand the complexity of my classroom? I was skeptical at first too. But here's what makes Claude different. It's trained on educational best practices, understands learning standards, and can adapt to any grade level or subject area. After using Claude for just 1 month, teachers report saving 7 to 10 hours per week on planning. More importantly, they say their lessons are more creative, better differentiated, and more engaging for students. Parents notice the difference too. Students come home excited about what they learned, asking follow-up questions, and connecting lessons to their own lives. Here's what I want you to do. Try Claude for your next lesson plan. Go to Claude AI, set up a free account, and create one lesson using the specific prompting method I just shared. Give yourself permission to experiment and see how much time you can save while improving the quality of your instruction. Remember, small changes in how we plan can create transformational results in our classrooms. When teachers have more time to focus on relationships, creativity, and individual student needs. Instead of basic lesson creation, everyone wins. Your students get better instruction, you get your evenings back, and education moves forward into a more efficient, effective future.